In this video, I'll show you how to add authentication in Bolt.New. First, open your web browser, go to the Bolt.New website, and sign into your account. Then open the project where you want to add user authentication. Next, decide which authentication provider you want to use. Many Bolt.New projects use Supabase authentication, so if you haven't connected Supabase yet, connect your project before continuing. Now, use the Bolt.New chat to describe the authentication system you want. For example, ask Bolt.New to add email and password sign-in, user registration, password reset, and protected routes. Bolt.New will generate the necessary code and configure the authentication flow for your app. After that, if prompted, configure the required authentication settings in your backend, such as enabling sign-in methods and setting your application URL. Test the sign up, sign in, and sign out features to make sure everything works correctly. Finally, review your app to confirm that protected pages are only accessible to signed-in users. Once you're satisfied with the authentication system, deploy the latest version of your application. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add authentication in Bolt.New. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.